Alright, so in this tutorial, we're going to teach you coffee grinder. And right now, I'm going to teach you how to do it with with swinging your right leg. If you prefer to swing with your left leg, skip till later in the video. So to start with coffee grinder, really stick your right leg out, left hand inside your knee, keep it like that, and be like on your toes right here, don't be flat-footed. And then place this hand here, so you'll pull back, swing it forward, move this hand over, so you're like this, and then you just jump over it, swing it back around, keep doing that, keep your momentum going, try not to bend your knee like I just did, so just something that you just, alright, now we're going to teach you how to do it with your left leg.
Okay, so one of the key things to doing coffee grinder is you have to somehow put, like, I don't know how to say it, but like you gotta make your legs swing really hard.
Momentum.
If you don't swing it hard, then you're not gonna really get anything. You're just gonna get a weird looking thing. So what
He's trying to say momentum.
I guess. But okay, so basically the same thing for the right-footed coffee grinder. So you put your right hand like right in front of your right leg. You put your left hand like somewhere comfortable for you. You're supposed to kind of swing back to get some momentum going, and then you just swing. That's our tutorial.